Hello kids. Let's start with our 17th chapter of GK. So students, open your book at page 27, Unit 4, Chapter 17, Precious Water. We are talking about Africa and its situation regarding water. We all know that water is a limited resource. It is needed for all living things and must be managed efficiently. We should ensure that we have enough for our needs and to protect environment. Water is a very precious resource. Students, do you know Africa is running out of water? Africa has lack of access to clean, safe water and proper sanitation. The amount of water on earth is constant. It cannot be increased or decreased, but it is unevenly distributed across the earth. Students, do you know that in South Africa we are talking about South Africa. Listen carefully. South Africa receives an annual rainfall of 492 millimeters, which is nearly half the Earth's average rainfall received. And thus, South Africa is classified as a water-stressed country. Students, can you believe it? 492 millimeters of rainfall. And due to this uneven distribution of rainfall across South Africa, half of the country is much wetter and the other half of the country receives very less water due to these weather conditions. Students, we should practice to conserve water. Do you know what is water conservation? Water conservation is the practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water wastage. Water conservation is important because fresh clean water is a limited resource. Students, water is one of the world's most precious resources and that is often taken for granted. Even today, access to safe drinking water is not a guarantee for many people across the world. The majority of people without access to water live in rural, isolated areas and spend hours collecting water. In many areas of water insecurity, pipes, taps, and wells do not even exist, because these are not easily affordable. Children, now I am going to tell you some facts about water. Pay attention all of you, listen carefully. Do you know about 70% of the earth's surface is covered by water, from which less than 1% is available for human use? Worldwide, 1 in every 9 people don't have access to safe or clean drinking water, which equates to 783 million people. Students, mostly women and girls are responsible for water collection in Africa. In Africa alone, women spend 40 billion hours and a year walking for water. Women are responsible for 72% of the water collection in sub-Saharan Africa. It equates 72% of the people who are involved in fetching water. Students, water is a very essential part of all life on the globe. Plants, animals, and we human beings could not survive without water. Water ensures food security, livestock security, maintain organic life, and conserves the biodiversity and environment. Students, now I am going to tell you certain ways in which we can create awareness to conserve water. There are so many ways in which we can create awareness to conserve water. These are: first, we should recycle wastewater. Second, we should improve irrigation and agricultural practices. Third, we should know its worth and use it efficiently. Fourth point is, we can adapt new water conservation technology. Fifth point, we should adapt rainwater harvesting systems. Sixth point is, we can use the right amount of water for each load of laundry. Now, seventh point, we should turn off the water when not in use. Eighth point, we should use bucket instead of taking shower. In this way, we can use minimal water by using buckets. Students, there are so many uses of water. Do you know 15% of water is consumed for domestic purposes? Water is used for drinking, bathing, cooking food, washing dishes, washing clothes, fruits, vegetables, and brushing teeth. Hello kids. So let's start with the reading of chapter 17. So open your book at page number 27, chapter 17, Precious Water. Read it carefully. Water is very precious. Fresh water in the world is disappearing fast. So we need to save it. In Africa, this is a huge problem. Look at the picture below. Color the picture in front in your favorite colors. Complete the points on how to save water. Now, listen carefully, all of you. You have to color this picture. You have to color this picture very attractively. You can take the help of your parents. You have to color the clouds, ground, these women very attractively. Students, you can take the help of your parents, and below this you are given let's save water. First point is done for you. First is take bucket baths and not showers. If you will take bucket baths, this is going to minimize the wastage of water. We will be able to preserve and conserve more of water. In this way, you have to complete next 2 points and you can take the help of your parents. We have read about this chapter. We have read about the uses of water. We have read ways to create awareness and to conserve water. So you can take the help of your parents and you have to complete next 2 points on how we can save water.